Existence means that which belongs to something and can be truly said of it, but which belongs to it neither necessarily nor for the most part. Existence has also another sense, namely, whatever belongs to a thing in virtue of that thing, but is not in the substance of that thing. For example, if someone, while digging a hole for a plant, found a trailer, the finding of a trailer is an accident of the digger of a hole. Same thing. Lotus, saying of dragonfly. Dragonfly is extents of saying that whole thing.